Here I have Motorola Moto G41, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after that you will end up in the boot mode. So here at the boot mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as start, restart bootloader, recovery mode, power off, barcodes, bootloader locks, and that's it. So if you want to quit this mode, you have two options. You can either select start and just restart your device, or power off and just turn off your device. So let's just restart it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.